What if I told you, your reality isn't real not because the world is fake, but because your mind is rewriting everything you see? One thought, one interpretation, can turn the same moment into pain or power. Today, you're going to learn the mental switch that can rewrite your entire life. We don't see every day. You experience thousands of moments, but you don't see them as they are. You see them as your mind frames them. A delayed message becomes rejection. A failure becomes proof you're not good enough. A challenge becomes a threat. But what if you could change the frame and suddenly the same moment becomes something empowering today? We explore cognitive reframing, the hidden ability to rewire your reality from the inside. Your brain is a story machine. Your brain hates empty spaces. So when something happens, it instantly creates a story. Not accurate, not logical, just familiar. Someone doesn't smile at you, brain says they dislike you. A friend replies, late, brain whispers, you're not important. These stories don't come from reality. They come from old wounds, fears, insecurities, your past, not your present. Cognitive reframing lets you take back control of these stories. The moment that changes everything. Reframing is not lying to yourself. It's asking, what else could this mean? That one question breaks the automatic negative cycle. Late reply, maybe they're busy, a mistake. Maybe this is a lesson. I need a failure, a direction change. Not a dead end. You're not changing the event. You're changing the meaning. Before reframing, you must pause. Most people react instantly, emotion first, logic later. But when you pause for just 3 seconds, the emotional wave lowers and your brain can think clearly. Ask yourself, is this the only explanation? Is this story helping me? What's a more empowering angle? This tiny pause creates mental space. And inside that space, your freedom begins. Let's take common moments. Old frame, I'm not good enough. New frame, this shows my next step. Old frame, I'm unworthy. New frame, that door wasn't mine. Old frame, why is this happening to me? New frame, what is this teaching me? Every powerful person you admire uses reframing, not because their lives are easier, but because their perspective is stronger. Neuroscience shows that reframing changes your brain's wiring. Every time you replace a negative interpretation with a neutral or positive one, you strengthen new neural pathways. Think of your brain like a garden. Where you focus grows. Reframing is choosing which plants survive. You can't control everything that happens around you, but you can control the meaning you attach to every moment. Change the meaning and you change the feeling. Change the feeling and you change the action. Change the action and you change your entire reality. Your mind is not a prison, it's a lens. And today, you just learned how to clean it. Like and subscribe for more hidden